An interesting incident occurred in Scotland. A person trying to suppress a sneeze soon fell ill. When the individual, whose both sides of the neck swelled and had difficulty moving, went to the hospital, they were immediately subjected to an X-ray. The X-ray revealed that the man's throat had burst, and there was a tear between the bones of his neck. Additionally, it was determined that air had accumulated in the space between his lungs. The patient was treated with painkillers before requiring emergency surgery, and was later discharged. Doctors warned that sneezing increases pressure in the airways and holding that pressure inside could lead to a 20-fold increase in pressure.